Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's with the Daughters of Destiny and it's Thankful, Grateful, Blessed Collab 2021. So the Daughters of Destiny are as follows: Gigi FAISON for the love of decor, and I hope I said that right, Shawni on the spot, Lady Cinnamon, and Debby Bubbles. So I decided to make a couple of DIYs for the fall, so let's jump into the video. I'm going to be linking below the Daughters of Destiny along with my channel and a playlist. So make sure and head on over there and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and let's go have some fun. Okay, DIY number one. I grabbed one of those fall signs from the Dollar Tree, the truck ones, and that one says Fall Harvest or Happy Harvest, I'm not sure. But here we're going to be doing some embellishments and then putting a hanger on it and creating a bow. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft is going to be listed in the description box below. Most of these, if not all, are from the Dollar Tree. Adding the last finishing touch, and now this DIY is done. Moving on to DIY number two. Okay, so here we're starting out with that bamboo chopping block, and then we have this sticker right here along with some ribbon. All these items I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to be making a wall decor. So let's jump into the video. So remember, when you're working with a sticker, you want to go ahead and seal that in with Mod Podge so that it doesn't come up. So now we finish adding our embellishments, and our last finishing touch, we're going to turn this over and place a hanger on it, and we are all done. Isn't this gorgeous? Okay, so now we're going to be moving on to DIY number 3. Out of the 3, I think this one here is my favorite. I love the way this came out. So let's jump into this video so you can see how this wall decor came out. So now after this tag sign dries, we did have to give this 2 coats. Now we're going to be adding this embellishment here that says joy, and then we are going to add the florals. This came out absolutely beautiful. So now here we're adding the hanger, and then we're going to get ready for the reveal.